Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing the United States economy, how it works, and what factors influence it. The United States has the world's largest economy with a gross domestic product, GDP, of over $21 trillion as of 2021. It is a mixed economy that combines both market and government interventions. The economy is driven by various industries, including healthcare, finance, technology, and retail. One of the main factors that influence the U.S. economy is monetary policy. The Federal Reserve System, also known as the Fed, is responsible for implementing monetary policy. The Fed controls the money supply and interest rates in the economy, which affects borrowing and spending by consumers and businesses. Another significant factor that influences the U.S. economy is fiscal policy. Fiscal policy involves government spending, taxation, and borrowing. The U.S. government uses fiscal policy to influence economic growth, employment, and inflation. In recent years, the U.S. economy has experienced both growth and challenges. The COVID-19 pandemic significantly impacted the economy, resulting in job losses, business closures, and a recession. However, the government implemented various stimulus measures, such as direct payments to individuals and businesses, to help mitigate the impact of the pandemic. The U.S. economy also faces other challenges, including income inequality, healthcare costs, and climate change. Addressing these issues will require both government intervention and private sector innovation. In conclusion, the United States economy is complex and influenced by various factors, including monetary and fiscal policies. While it has experienced growth and challenges, the government and private sector must work together to address ongoing issues and ensure continued economic prosperity for all Americans. Thank you for watching.